Hello, parents. This is Miss Newman. I wanted to help your child learn the letters that we're learning this week. Last week we learned a, t, and I. This week we're learning, so they need to put their teeth kind of here and blow. Put one hand here, and it's Francie, fish. Please help them practice. Be sure, sometimes I put my hand here to see if I can feel the air coming out. This is Robbie Rabbit says, "Rrr, rrr, rrr." Please practice that. This is Sammy Snake. And Sammy Snake says, "S." Please help them with that. This is Lizzie Lizard. Their tongue needs to go right up here. Oh. And their hands go like this. Ooh. Here is Olive Octopus. Open your mouth wide. Ah. It actually makes that kind of circle also. And we're going to put our hands out like this. Oops, it's kind of hard to see. Olive. Like an octopus. Very good. Thank you so much. Practice with your child the letters from last week and this week. Bye-bye.